According to the World Health Organization, diet-related diseases like obesity, diabetes, and heart conditions are now among the leading causes of death globally. And here's the truth. What we eat is no longer just about taste. It's about survival, sustainability, and sanity. Every meal you choose shapes your body, your planet, and your peace of mind. So, the question fish or non-veg isn't just a food preference anymore. It's a deeply personal, ethical, and health-defining choice, and today we're breaking it all down. Let's start with the reason many lean toward meat or fish: protein. Fish, especially fatty varieties like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, offer high-quality protein and omega-3s, which are great for brain function and inflammation. On the other hand, red meat like beef or lamb also packs protein but often comes with higher levels of saturated fat. Chicken and turkey are leaner options, but still lack the heart-healthy oils found in fish. So if it's pure clean protein you want with added anti-inflammatory benefits, fish wins this round. Fish is widely praised by cardiologists for a reason. Omega-3 fatty acids, especially EPA and DHA found in fatty fish, help reduce blood pressure, lower triglycerides, and improve arterial health. Red meat, particularly when consumed in excess, has been linked with higher LDL cholesterol and increased risk of heart disease. While lean meats like chicken fare better, they don't offer the same cardiovascular advantages. When it comes to protecting your heart, fish stands out as the smarter protein choice. Here's where things get complicated. Industrial fishing is destroying marine ecosystems. Think bycatch, ocean depletion, and plastic pollution. However, sustainable fish farming and line-caught options are significantly more eco-friendly than factory farming of beef or pork, which produce far more methane, deforestation, and water waste. A kilo of beef requires 15,000 liters of water. Compare that to most types of fish, which have a far lower environmental footprint. If you're eco-conscious, choosing responsibly sourced fish is a middle path between indulgence and impact. Fish is light, lean, and easier to digest. In Ayurveda, fish is considered sattvic, supportive of calm and clarity. When consumed properly, heavy meats, especially red meats, tend to sit longer in the gut, creating more toxins and digestive discomfort. They can also trigger inflammation in sensitive individuals. If you've ever felt bloated, sluggish, or dull after a steak, your body might be telling you something. Choosing fish or even going pescatarian might lighten both your body and mind. In many Indian traditions and Eastern spiritual paths, meat is considered tamasic, heavy, dulling the mind and increasing aggression. Fish, although still non-veg, is often seen as lighter and more acceptable, especially in coastal yogic traditions. Sadhguru once said that food carries memory: what lived, how it died, what energy it had. The type of flesh we consume affects our emotional and energetic state. If you're walking a spiritual path or seeking inner stillness, your diet matters more than ever. In many regions, meat is far more available and cheaper than fresh fish. But quality matters. Cheap, processed meat is often filled with preservatives, hormones, and sodium, a hidden health bomb. While fresh fish might cost more, it offers more nutrition per bite and is less likely to be chemically processed. In urban areas, frozen fish, canned sardines, or local freshwater fish can offer a middle ground between cost and quality. Eating well doesn't mean eating fancy, it means eating smart. Let's be honest, fish can be delicate to cook and smelly if stored wrong. But today's tech solves that. Air fryers, vacuum packs, and spices can make fish a daily staple even for busy folks. Meat, especially chicken, still leads in convenience with faster prep and longer shelf life. However, more people are meal prepping grilled fish fillets, fish tacos, or using fish in soups and stews. If you're chasing balance, fish offers both health and versatility with a little intention. What we eat literally becomes our mind. Several studies link omega-3 intake from fish with improved mood, mental clarity, and reduced symptoms of depression. Meanwhile, excessive red meat, especially when processed, has been associated with brain fog and irritability. If you're working in high-focus environments, or you're on a creative or spiritual path, choosing fish over heavier meats may sharpen your edge and stabilize your emotions over time. Your mind thrives on light, clean fuel. So, fish or non-veg? The answer lies not in labels, but in listening to your body, your ethics, and your goals. If you're chasing long-term health, clean energy, and spiritual depth, fish, sustainably sourced and mindfully prepared, offers an ideal middle way. But no matter what you choose, be conscious. Honor the life that fuels yours. Eat with gratitude, cook with clarity, and always ask, is this food supporting the life I want to live? If this video helped you think deeper about your diet, hit like, subscribe, and share with someone ready to eat more consciously. Your next meal could be your next transformation.